Twinkie, what you got there? Is that one of your butt feathers? Is that one of your giant long butt feathers? Yeah! You're so cute. Twinkie. Twinkie, what are you doing with your feather? What are you doing with that feather? What you doing? It's so big. What are you gonna do with it? You gonna save it? Whoops. You gonna add it to your collection? Wow, it's so beautiful. It's taller than you are. What you think? I love. Okay, Twinkie, did you just try to take a bath in your water bowl? Yes, you did. Look at your face. It's all wet. Twinkie, you are gonna get a shower. Why? You made a mess. There's water all over your cage that I just cleaned. There's water all over the floor. There's water all over your face. You got nothing? All right, well, don't do that though. Well, bless you. You're being a bad bird because you're not supposed to take a bath in your water bowl.